Okay, what we add into the flower on the garden bed?
Fertilizer.
Why are we adding fertilizer?
Because we wanted it to.
You want the plants to grow nice and strong?
Mm-hmm.
What you want to get in return? You want to get fruits or you want to get vegetables?
Maybe fruit and vegetable. What is this?
We're gonna try to mix it and move all the breakdown. You can put your hands in the down.
We already finished, Chopper. Yes.
Okay, so we're gonna mix the soil. We're gonna take it like this and mix it up like this. You see how it all mixed together? You see? Nice and squishy and everything together. Everything mixed like
But a wee bit
it will be
hard.
perfect for the plants. Huh?
A wee bit hard, but a wee bit squishy.
If you get this big one, squash it down. You want to have a nice garden bed so you can, when you put the plant, it can grow nice and healthy.
And we don't want children now.
Huh?
Children are in there.
What we gonna plant?
Children are.
We're gonna plant cucumbers?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Who's gonna plant it? Me or you?
Me.
You're gonna plant it. Okay, I'll see how you plant it, okay?
Okay. I take the grass out because we don't want it in there.
Okay, you see how it's nice and everything mixed together? All the compost and the peat moss mixed together? That's what we need.
I taking the grass out.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the fertilizer together. Okay?
What is this?
That's the stick, like a piece of stick. Okay, so like you did over there, that was a good job, baby girl. So now I'm gonna help you, and then we're just gonna spread it around, so we don't want to have too much because we don't want to burn the garden, burn the vegetables. We just want just enough.